Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to install a trailer hitch on a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Procedures will be similar for most Highlander models from 2014 to 2019, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface, chock the front wheels, and use a jack and jack stands to lift and support the rear end of the vehicle. Remove the spare tire to give yourself room to work. Locate the flap near the exhaust outlet and use your hacksaw to trim the outer edge. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the push clips securing the underbody panels on the driver's side and the passenger side if needed. You may also have to remove 3 10mm bolts and 2 plastic 12mm bolts. Remove those panels and set them aside. If necessary, use your hacksaw to trim the plastic tab to make room for the hitch. Remove the tow hooks from the frame rails using your ratchet and 17mm socket. You may also have to remove this metal bracket on the frame rail to expose the weld nuts you'll be using to secure the hitch. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove the plugs on the bottom of both frame rails. Check the weld nuts for rust and debris, and use a wire brush to clean them if needed. If excess caulk is present, remove it with your utility knife. Have a friend help you raise the hitch into position. Be careful not to pinch any hoses on the outside of the passenger side frame rail and not to scratch the fascia. Align the hitch over the existing weld nuts and install the M12 bolts and conical washers with the teeth side of the washers toward the hitch. Reinstall the metal bracket between the frame rail and the hitch. Use a torque wrench to tighten all M12 bolts to 76 foot-pounds. At this point, you may need to raise your underbody panels into place to determine where you need to trim to accommodate the hitch bracket. Mark the points that need to be trimmed and use your hacksaw to remove material as needed until the panels fit with some clearance over the hitch. Reinstall the trimmed underbody panels using the hardware you removed earlier. Put the spare tire back into place and make sure it's secure. Slide the ball mount into place and secure it with the pin and clip. Lower the rear end of the vehicle and remove the wheel chocks. It's also a good idea to pick up a receiver lock to secure your trailer when you're away from the vehicle. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.